Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to update your payment method on iPhone. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is go to your settings. After going to your settings, here you will be able to see your profile right here. Tap on it. After tapping on your profile, now you will be able to see the option of payment and shipping. Tap on it. And here you can see there is add payment method. So in here you can update your card by adding the number, expiry date, and every details that you required. And after you're done with it, you can simply just tap on the done button that you can see in the top right corner right here. And like this, you can update your payment method on iPhone. Well, this is one of the payment method. If you're looking for another payment method like using your Apple Wallet, this is how you can do it. Go back to your main settings and then scroll all the way down until you see the option of a wallet right here. Tap on it. And in here, you will be able to see the option of add card. Simply just tap on it and then you will be able to see the option of adding the details of your card. Simply just add your card and like this, you can update your payment method on iPhone. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.